Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video I'm going to show you this golden sparkly eye makeup look, which doesn't take too much time. So the first thing I did was priming the eyelids. I'm using the MAC Cosmetics paint pot in the color Soft Ochre, and I'm applying this all over the eyelid. Then I used some eyebrow gel. The one that I used is from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Chocolate. I really like this one. So I'm using it all the way in my brows. This will make my brow hairs a little bit darker and make my hair stand out more. Then I'm going to go in with this Pokemon palette from Colourpop, and I'm going to start with this yellow color. I'm going to blend this all the way in my crease. It's going to be the base color for today's look. So I'm just applying a little bit on my brush. I'm using the Sigma E40, and then I'm just going to blend it all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner. So I'm sweeping my brush left and right from the inner corner to the outer corner, and also making circular motions. I'm not going to go for a winged line or anything, so I'm going to also focus on blending this more like around the outer part of my eyelid to create more like a round shape in this area. If I would go for eyeliner, I wouldn't be too focused on this area because the winged liner will cover up that area for most of the part. But since I'm not going to do that, I'm going to blend this in the outer portion of the eyelid as well. So I'm going to add more and more. You can see at the other eye I already applied more. So this is kind of the tone that I want to go for. So I just applied a few layers, just going in with my brush a few times to really build up the color payoff. So I'm just taking my time with this. I did notice that it looked a little bit patchy in some parts, but it wasn't too noticeable. Then I used this sparkly color, which is so stunning. This is kind of the reason why I love Colourpop eyeshadows. I love it when they have palettes and then there are these like glittery eyeshadows in it, which are a little bit creamy, because just with this eye look, it's so easy to apply and you only need 2 colors and it will just give the appearance as if you have like a super glamorous look with not too much effort, and I love that. So now I'm going to go in with this liquid eyeliner pen, which is also from Colourpop. Now I know I said I wasn't going in with eyeliner, but I meant like not going in with winged eyeliner. So I'm sorry for the confusing part, but I will go in with like a liquid eyeliner above the lash line, just because I will go in with false lashes and this will kind of like cover up the lash bands. But I'm not going in with a winged liner. But if you want, of course, you can do that. That will look really beautiful with this eye look and just kind of makes your eyes look more foxy, which I love. But I'm just doing a super thin line, like right above the lash line. Then I use that same yellow color all the way underneath the lower lash line as well. I'm not being too like careful with the yellow. I really wanted it to be as yellow as possible. And I just love this shade, so pretty. I think especially on deeper skin complexion, I love it. Especially if you have brown eyes, I feel like yellow and my eye color, I mean, it looks good. It doesn't really like make my eyes stand out or something, but it does look nice. But with brown eyes, hazel eyes, I think it's gonna be so freaking stunning. Let me know if you have brown eyes and if you ever try yellow eyeshadow. Does it look good? In my imagination, it looks really good, but maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. So now I'm going to go in with this nude pencil from Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm using this all the way in the waterline. So this is gonna kind of make the redness go away in your waterline and make your eyes appear a little bit bigger. And you know, we all have those redness in the waterline, and this will just give more of that fresh look in your eyes. So now I'm using a lash curler because it's already time for mascara. Like, this eye look is super easy, not too many steps, but really nice for summer. So then I went in with some mascara. You can use any mascara that you like. Of course, I have a few favorites, which I can link for you guys in the description bar. Or let me know if you want me to do a video where I will talk about my current favorites. Then I went in with the wispy lashes from Ardell. I really like wispy lashes. I do have to say, I feel like if I could go back in time, I would have gone with different lashes. I feel like these lashes are more nicer for like if I would only do like a little bit of brown eyeshadow in the crease, some mascara and eyeliner, and then these lashes. I feel like they look a little bit too crispy, if that makes sense. I mean, these are very affordable, but you can just notice the difference between like more affordable and the more expensive lashes. But yeah, this is the finished result. I really hope you all like this easy yellow sparkly look for summertime. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That's really helpful for my YouTube channel. And hopefully I will see y'all in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.